Hello, welcome back to my channel, my crafty friends. I wanted to get on here and give you a sneak preview of what I'm going to be doing for my wedding album. So here we go. This is the Romance Book of Flowers given to me by this friend who has passed on that started me crafting. So I'm going to take off this, and I'm going to be covering this with, here's all my goodies. I'm going to be covering the front with this fabric and this lace, tying it together with this ribbon. This is basically the color of my dress. Okay. Then I have these papers. I've already cut them. Pretty big, actually, so I can only use one 12 by 12 sheet, so this is not going to be cheap. I had to buy a lot of paper. But anyway, all these different papers, burlap and lace. The cream and the white. Got some script. And I thought this was really cute. This is out of, they're two separate batches of paper. We've got scrapbook and lace, and then we have music. And this is the wedding album, wedding paper from scrapbook.com. And there's one lone blue piece. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that yet. And here's some more sparkle. And here's this music paper. I think it's just beautiful. More script and more burlap and lace. Now the book itself has got some really beautiful pictures that I'm going to end up keeping some. Probably not red, because that's not really my color scheme. But I'm going to be going through here. I'm going to be using Alicia from Call Me Crafty Al. Her methodology of creating a junk journal. So here's the papers. And here's some of the extra goodies that I'm going to be using too. Wedding 3D stickers. Got these wooden stickers, or wooden chipboard pieces. And then when I bought these, and I saw that these flowers were the perfect color. They matched my dress perfectly. And it's gonna be loads of fun. And so I'm looking forward to this. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. So we are going to get started just pretty quick. And so please join me. I'll be glad to have you watch. So until later, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.